So now let's see question number 5. The last question, how to construct 135 degree. So we know that 135 degree means 120 degree plus 15 degree. We can construct because we know how to construct 120 degree and we also know how to construct 15 degree. When we add these two angles, we are getting 135 degree. So let's start. So first, draw a line. Name it as L. Now on the center we have to consider now point P. Here we construct 135 degree. So before that we have to first draw 120 degree. So what we can do, we have to just draw a semicircle arc, so that we are getting two intersecting point on line. From here draw an arc. This is your 60 degree. From this again draw, this is your again 60 degree. 60 plus 60 will give you 120 degree. Now the next is again 60 degree. So the whole is divided into three equal parts, that is 60 each. 60, 60, 60. Now this 60 we have to divide two times. If you bisect this in one time, you are getting 30 degree. Again if you bisect, you are getting 15 degree. So what we can do? The distance is known, so we bisect this angle first. From here, bisect. We are getting one intersecting point. Now join these 2 points P and Q with dotted line, because this is not our required construction. So we represent this as a dotted line. Okay. Now this is your 30 degree and this is your 30 degree. This we divide, this we bisect again, so that we are getting 15 degree. Do not change this measurement, keep it as it is. Now where we have to keep our pointer? Here and here. Again bisect. So you are getting one intersecting point. Now join this point and P point. So this is our required 135 degree angle. This from here it is 120 plus this 15 degree. So you are getting 135 degree angle. So this way we can construct 135 degree. Next we will see. Next question, draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisect it. Okay, we know how to construct 45 degree. First you have to construct 90 degree. Bisect 90 degree, you are getting 45 degree. This much we have completed. Whatever 45 degree now you have, that again you have to bisect. That you know how to do it, so that you can do by yourself. Draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. 135 degrees over here. Let's see how to bisect it. Okay, so what we can do? Already the arc is drawn. This one is the arc. Measure the distance. Okay, then bisect it now. Draw an arc from here and from here. So whatever points you are getting, just join these 2 points. Name it PQ. So this is the bisector of 135 degree. So this way we can bisect. Next question is, draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compasses. We cannot use ruler. Okay. And last is, draw an angle of 40 degree. Copy its supplementary angle. So let's see. First we complete question number 8. 70 degree we have to we have to draw with the help of protractor. So with the help of ruler we draw the line. Here we construct 70 degree, name it here P with the help of protractor. Where your arrow is there, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here is your 70. Draw point. Join this point PQ. So this is your angle QPR. Now we have to draw the copy of this angle. So what we can do? First, we draw the line. Name it as M. Put a point A where we have to construct or copy. We have to make it. So what we can do? We don't use protractor now. So what we can do? We have to first find the distance between these edges and these edges with the help of this arc. So what we can do? We draw an arc like this. Okay. Without changing this measurement, we go over here at point A. Keep your pointer and draw the same arc without changing its measurement. Now we find the distance. How we find? Keep your pointer over here and find this distance. What is the distance between this and this point that we will find? Now without changing this, we keep our pointer over here and draw an arc. So we are getting one intersecting point. Now what we can do? Name it as B. Join this A and B, 2 points. So your angle BAC is exactly the copy of QPR. If you want to check your answer, measure this angle with the help of protractor. Let's see whether it's same or not. You can see 70 degree. So this way we can copy the given angle. So this is all about your question number 8. Now move on to the next question. Question number 9. What is the question? The question is, draw an angle of 40 degree. Copy its supplementary angle. Okay. What do you mean by supplementary? In lower standard we have studied about the complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary means if the measure of two angles if you are taking, do the addition of that angle, your answer should be 90 degree. Then only both the angles are complementary to each other. And supplementary means you take two measurement of angle, when you do the addition of that, the answer should be